To design a banner, we're going to start inside the Banner Design workspace. What you see is a blank white area in the middle of the screen, which is where the banner will be displayed as you create it. To the left of this area are a set of tools that let you work with layers on your banner. At the top are tools that let you save your work or load a banner you've been working on. And at right are tools that give you access to a library of clip art, backgrounds, and images, as well as the ability to add text. In our first example, we will create a banner for a pizza restaurant. In our second example, we will create a banner for a youth soccer team. To get started with this first sample, we'll set a background color for the banner using the background fill option below the banner preview. We'll also assign a color to the border on the banner that is the same as the banner fill to create a solid color background. We will now adjust the width and height of our banner to create one that is taller than it is wide. Now we're going to add a photo to our banner by clicking on the Upload Photo button. We can now browse the hard drive of our computer to select our picture. We can drag it around the banner area to place it where we would like it to appear. We will now stretch the image to fill the entire width. We don't want it to take up any more vertical room, however, so we will uncheck the box marked Scale Proportionally. If this box were left checked, the image would expand and contract both horizontally and vertically at the same rate. Now that our image is the proper size and placed where we want it, we're going to add some text to the banner. To do this, we click on the text option on the right side of the screen. We'll type some text, choose a font and color, then click the Add Text button. We can then drag the text around the banner and resize it just as we did with the image. We'll add some more text and adjust the image position to look good. Now we'll finish off adding text to the banner and then add some clip art. To add clip art, click on the Clip Art option at the right of the screen. We'll choose the Restaurants and Hotels category of clip art and select the image of a chef delivering a pizza. The clip art image gets added to the banner and it can be manipulated just as the pizza photo and text were. We'll now add a badge on top of the pizza image, and to do so, we'll start by selecting the Shapes option at the right of the screen. We'll select a multi-pointed star, then adjust the width, rotation, and position to get it where we want it on the banner. Next, we'll change the color using the Fill Color option. Next, we'll add some text on top of the badge we just added, so we'll click on the Text option once again, enter our text, and add it to the banner. We'll move it over to be on top of the badge, change the color of the text using the Color option, and rotate it to a similar angle as the badge. We can now purchase this banner using the Add to Cart button. When we do so, a proof of the banner shows up at the bottom of the screen. Now, by clicking Checkout, we are taken to the shopping cart, where we can change the material used if we wish, and we will save a copy of this design in case we want to modify it at a later date. In the cart, we'll click the Design button under the Save a Copy column. We could also have saved this banner design using the Save button at the top of the design screen. We can also save a proof of the banner as an image that can be emailed or viewed so you can see what the banner will look like. To do that, we'll use the Proof button located just below the Design button. At this point, we could complete the checkout process by entering our shipping and billing information. Now we'll create another banner, this one for a soccer team. With this banner, we'll start with a template open in the designer. We'll delete all of the content from this banner by clicking the Delete All button. Now we'll choose a background for the banner from the Background section on the right. We're going to upload a photo of our team logo, and to do so, we will use the Upload Photo button. We'll adjust the size of the image, and notice that we are leaving the Scale Proportionally button checked. As you can see, this ensures that the logo is not distorted while resizing it. Now we'll add some text to the banner by clicking on the text option at right. We will again select a font and color for the text, then move and adjust the size of the text. We'll add some names to the banner, then move them to where we want them to appear. Next, we'll add some clip art from the Sports Soccer category. We've selected a soccer ball and resized and moved it to appear next to one of the names. We want this to look like a bullet point, and now that it's sized properly, we'll click the Copy button to duplicate this image at the exact same size. We'll now drag these soccer balls to be in a line, and now we'll select all of them. To select more than one item at the same time, hold down the Control key while clicking on the item. You'll see that we can now move all of these as one unit. Now hit the Copy button again to duplicate this line of 5 soccer balls. We'll shift them over manually, then use Control-click to select all of them. To make them appear in a straight line, we'll use the Center Alignment button at left, then drag them into place to the right of the names. We'll add some more text and position it below the logo. Since it seems spaced out a bit, we'll delete the space in the text box at right, and you can see that it removes the space from the text that appears in the banner creation area. We'll use a few spaces to even out the text, and then move it so that it's evenly spaced. We'll make a few final adjustments to the size and position of the logo and team name, then use the Add to Cart button to complete the banner creation process. We'll again save a copy of the banner and can complete the sale if we wished by entering our shipping and billing information. We hope this video makes the banner creation process easier for you, and let us know if you have any questions while creating your own banners.